As we're well on our way into the fall season, are you ready to transform your home into the ultimate fall retreat, but you just don't know where to start? Today, I'm sharing 10 simple tips that will make any space feel warm and inviting and ready for the cooler fall season. From creating a cozy beverage station to layering up your seating areas, these simple tips and easy changes are sure to help you embrace all the fall vibes. So grab your favorite fall drink and let's get started. The first tip is to change out scents. As the weather cools down, switching up your home's scents can instantly make it feel cozier. Think warm, earthy scents like cinnamon, apple, or pumpkin spice. Using candles, diffusers, or simmer pots will give your space that autumn atmosphere and make it feel more inviting. Tip number 2 is add layers to seating areas. Throw blankets, pillows, and textured fabrics add warmth and comfort to your seating areas. Layering them not only makes your space look cozy, but it also gives everyone a comfortable spot to relax during those chilly fall evenings. Tip number 3 goes right along with that. Create cozy spaces. Creating cozy spaces around your home is key. Whether it's a reading nook, a comfy corner with a plush chair, or a space near the fireplace, having a designated spot to unwind helps you enjoy the slower pace of fall. You can even create cozy spaces outdoor. Check out how we created this cozy backyard fire pit area in a video I'll link at the end. Tip number 4 is to create a beverage station. Having a dedicated fall beverage station stocked with teas, hot chocolate, apple cider, and cozy mugs makes it easy to enjoy a warm drink whenever you want. It also adds a fun seasonal touch to your kitchen or dining area. While we're in the kitchen, we'll move on to tip number 5, creating a fall meal plan. Planning fall-inspired meals like soup, casseroles, and roasted vegetables keeps you feeling nourished and ready to embrace the season. Having a cozy meal plan means you'll always have something comforting on hand to enjoy after a long day. While we're still in the kitchen, that's going to bring us to number 6. Add fall essentials to your pantry. Stock your pantry with seasonal staples like canned pumpkins, spices, soups, and baking ingredients. You'll be ready to whip up fall favorites like pumpkin bread or hearty stews, making your home feel extra comforting with those delicious aromas. And now is the perfect time to start stocking up for those Thanksgiving and Christmas meals. Now for tip number 7, decorate with seasonal elements. Bring the beauty of fall indoors by decorating with pumpkins, gourds, pineapples, and other natural elements. These simple touches add texture and color, making your home feel connected to the season. Tip number 8, switch to fall bedding. Swapping out lighter summer bedding for thicker blankets and cozy comforters not only helps keep you warm at night, but also adds a touch of seasonal charm to your bedroom. Flannel sheets or quilts in fall colors can make your bed feel like a sanctuary. And the quilt that I'm adding here with the colors of reds and greens, warm browns and creams will carry me not only through the fall season, but will carry me through Christmas as well. Staying in the bedroom brings us to tip number 9, transition your wardrobe. Transition your closet by swapping out lighter clothes for warmer layers like sweaters, scarves, and boots. Having easy access to your fall wardrobe makes getting dressed a cozy experience, and it helps set the tone for the season. Here in South Texas, we don't start getting cooler until the mid-November. So it's the perfect time now for me to start making these changes. That brings us to tip number 10, check your outdoor lighting. As the days get shorter, it's important to check your outdoor lighting. Soft, warm lighting around entryways or in your backyard can make your outdoor space feel inviting even as the temperatures drop. Take the time to make sure your outdoor lighting is working properly and add string lights or lanterns to create a warm and welcoming glow at night. For more fall tips, be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll be sharing 20 fall tips throughout the fall season. Let me know in the comments which was your favorite tip for making your home feel extra warm and inviting this time of the year. If you enjoyed today's video and you'd like to show your support for this channel, the easiest way to do that is just to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're just passing through and you haven't subscribed, I hope you'll go ahead and do so and join this heart-filled community. That's going to do it for today. I look so forward to spending more time with you in the next one. Until then, I hope that you enjoy all of the cozy fall vibes that you're going to create from these tips and have a super blessed rest of your day. See you next time. Bye.